Oh, did you just cut your thread on the top stitch of your bag? But
Literally right in the middle of my top stitch.
what is on your face?
I got these glasses with my TL18.
No. That's a foot switch stopper. You need to use that so you don't just randomly cut your thread like you just did.
Foot switch stuff. What are you talking about?
Throw that on the bottom of the foot pedal. Let me show you.
Okay.
Well, today we're going to show Boki how to fix that thread cutting issue so you don't cut your threads in the middle of your projects. So, number one, if you didn't already know this, your TL18, TL15 comes with a foot switch stopper in the box. And some people think it's glasses, although they don't really work very well. This is actually a foot switch stopper, and what that means is you put it on the bottom of your foot pedal, your TL foot pedal, just like this, and once you place it there, you're no longer going to have that foot switch cutter option when you press the heel click of your foot pedals. It just pretty much stops it. So that was a very simple, easy solution to fix Boki's issue. However, some people still want something a little bit more permanent. So today we have something in store for you where you can have a permanent solution to not having your TL cut your thread in the middle of any project. So now that Boki has a more fast and easy solution with the foot switch stopper, if you need this fast and easy solution, check out JukiJunkies.com if your machine didn't come with it. It's just a nice little rubber piece and it just goes right on the bottom of that foot pedal. Super easy to install, and you're not going to have as many mistake cuts throughout your projects because every now and then that little rubber piece can kind of just wiggle off and you still end up cutting your thread, but it does work well. It's just we want to have more of a permanent solution. And that permanent solution is right here. Voila. It's a whole new foot pedal for your Juki TL. And it's actually a little bit cheaper than the original TL foot pedal even. Pretty much what this foot pedal is going to do is now you have your speed here and your cutter here. A completely separate section of that pedal is your cutter. So you're not going to ever really, be using your gas pedal and cut your thread because you'd have to physically lift your foot pedal off that section and move it over here and tap on the little section to do that cutter. So you still have that amazing function, just not integrated in that foot pedal. And this is a foot pedal that would be commonly found with like the DX4000, the NX7, the DX3000. The top dog machine models have this foot pedal, but we have found that it works perfect with the TLs, so it's a great permanent solution for your thread cutting issues. Well, I hope you guys found that information useful, and whatever solution you decide to go with, make sure you go to JukiJunkies.com, use code YouTube for 5% off, and if you need help finding these accessories, just click in the description of this video. We'll be linking both solutions down in that description. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave us a like, comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and make sure you hit that subscribe button because we post every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to teach you a lot about Juki products. Hope you have a great day.